Hey, to use battery saver on the POCO F6 Pro, first of all, you will have to go into the settings. Now you will have to start scrolling until you find battery. And when we are here, we have to go into the current mode. So as you can see, we've got as default set for balanced, but if you want to save battery, you should actually select battery saver. Now to turn it on, you have to click OK. And as you can see, it's turned on. We can also go forward and we can turn on the ultra battery saver, so it will actually increase the battery time for almost 25 hours. When we do this, we are going to restrict most of the power consuming features and decrease our device performance in order to leave basic functionality like calls, messages and connecting to the network. So now when you click OK, it will be turned on. And now just wait until it will be turned on. And there we go. If you want to close this extreme battery saver, you have to click here in the right upper corner on the exit, and now it's finished. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.